Hi, Utah builders and property owners. Have you ever thought about how you'd handle an unexpected disaster at your construction site? Stay with me, Roselle, as I walk you through how Builders Risk Insurance can protect your investment and keep your project on track. So what is Builders Risk Insurance? Builders Risk Insurance, or cost of construction insurance in Utah, protects your construction projects from risks such as theft, fire, vandalism, and Utah's harsh weather. Without it, buildings and property owners would face significant financial losses. This coverage is essential during construction and renovation phases. The policy is tailored to your specific project needs, making sure you have comprehensive coverage. So who needs Builders Risk Insurance? Anyone with a financial interest in the project will benefit from this policy. This could be a property owner, contractor, or lender. Now, if you are getting a construction loan, your lender will usually require you to have this policy. Many permits that are needed will also require proof of Builders Risk Insurance. So how much does it cost? Now, there are many factors that can affect the pricing of your Builders Risk Insurance policy in Utah. The type of construction, your total construction budget, and the length of policy you'll require will directly affect your policy premium. The starting rate for new construction projects can start as little as $500 or can increase by 1 to 5% of your total construction budget. Now, if you would like to get a tailored Builders Risk quote for your construction project, simply give us a call at the number on your screen right now. Our experienced agents can help you get a few quotes in a few minutes. We can offer same-day coverage in most cases, and we work with the country's top A-rated insurance carriers that issue 95% of all Builders Risk policies across the United States. Insurance carriers such as Liberty Mutual, Hartford, Zurich, and Distinguished Programs. We also work with hard-to-place properties and properties that have had a lapse in coverage. Rely on Builders Risk Insurance for all your Utah Builders Risk Insurance needs. With 28 years of experience in the field, we can provide you with coverage you can trust. Call us now and get your construction projects insured today. Thanks for watching.